Welcome to Literature Genres. Today in this video, we shall be knowing some of the very important questions and answers extract from Shakespeare and Chaucer. And the questions and answers present in this video are never ever asked in the previous questions of Tamil Nadu State Eligibility Test. I hope that you will be preparing for Tamil Nadu State Eligibility Test for 2021 exam. We shall now look into the video. The first question is, George Orwell's Animal Farm is about the degeneration of community ideas. George Orwell's Animal Farm, it is a novel. It is based on the theme of the degeneration of communist ideas. So this is the theme revolve around the characters portrayed in the novel Animal Farm. There are so many animals. Each animal represents a member of England government. So the government of England is criticized by portraying animals in the novel. So they talk about the degeneration of communist ideas. Next, when was Johnson's dictionary published? When was Johnson's dictionary published? 1755. 1755. This was the year Samuel Johnson published the dictionary for English language. Next question. What is the subtitle of Othello? What is the subtitle of the play Othello? It is written by William Shakespeare. The Moor of Venice. The Moor of Venice is the subtitle of the play Othello, written by William Shakespeare. What is the meaning of utopia? What is the meaning of utopia? Nowhere land. Nowhere land is the meaning of the word utopia. Utopia is taken from the language Latin. Next question. What does utopia tell about England? What does utopia tell about England? It criticizes the justice in England. It criticizes and it talks about the justice in England. What is the meter of Dante's Divine Comedy? So what is the meter of Dante's Divine Comedy? Terza rima. Terza rima. Terza rima is the meter of Dante's Divine Comedy. Which is the first comedy play in English literature? The question is, which is the first comedy play in English literature? Ralph Roister Doister. The author is Nicholas Udall. Nicholas Udall's Ralph Roister Doister is the first comedy play in English literature. The next question is, Aristotelian principle was used in which plays of William Shakespeare? Aristotelian principle was used in which plays of William Shakespeare? Is The Tempest and Comedy of Errors. The Tempest and Comedy of Errors. In these two plays, Aristotelian principle, the unity of time. Aristotelian principle is nothing but unity of time was applied in these two plays. Which hero travels from Verona to Mantua? Which hero travels from Verona to Mantua? Romeo. From the play Romeo and Juliet, there was a hero called Romeo. He was exiled from Verona to Mantua. Who published Shakespeare's first folio? Who published Shakespeare's first folio? who published Shakespeare's first folio? John Hemingway and Henry Condell. John Hemingway and Henry Condell, these two colleagues of William Shakespeare, had published Shakespeare's first folio in the year 1623. In the year 1623 it was published. Next question. Shakespeare's sonnets were published in which year? Shakespeare's sonnets were published in which year? 1609. 1609. Machado About Nothing is drawn from Machado About Nothing is the source of Orlando Furioso of Ariosto. Ariosto's Orlando Furioso is the source of Machado About Nothing. Machado About Nothing is William Shakespeare's work. Next question. How many Shakespearean problems play? How many Shakespeare's problem plays are there? 3. There are 3 Shakespeare's problem plays. The question, next question. What are the problem plays of William Shakespeare? All is well that ends well. All is well that ends well. Measure for measure. And Troilus and Cressida. Troilus and Cressida. These 3 plays are called problem plays. Next question. What was the source of inspiration to As You Like It? William Shakespeare had drawn inspiration from Thomas Lodge Rosalind. Thomas Lodge Rosalind. Rhyme royals, another name is Chaucerian stanza. Rhyme royals, another name is Chaucerian stanza. How many lines should be used in Chaucerian stanza? How many lines should be used in Chaucerian stanza? So, Chaucerian stanza should have 7 lines. 7 line is called a Chaucerian stanza. Which is the first work written by Geoffrey Chaucer? Geoffrey Chaucer's first work is Parliament of Fowls. Parliament of Fowls. Next question. Chaucerian stanza was first used in which work? Chaucerian stanza was first applied in Troilus and Cressida. Troilus and Cressida and Parliament of Fowls. In these 2 plays, these 2 works written by Geoffrey Chaucer, in which Chaucer has applied his stanza, rhyme royal. I hope that this video is helpful to you for the upcoming Tamil Nadu State Eligibility Test. If you like this video, please subscribe and share to your friends so that you will be notified once the videos are uploaded. And you will not miss any videos being uploaded to this channel. Thank you for watching.